Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about the LinkedIn overview, that how we can do the job posting, how we can do the sourcing, networking, all about the LinkedIn I'm going to tell you in this video. So friends, this is my LinkedIn profile. You can see here I have already bookmarked it. That is why once I texted the LinkedIn, I directly came into my LinkedIn page. Here you can see I will tell you the whole option: home, my network, jobs, messaging, notifications, me, and how we can do sourcing as well. Everything I'm going to tell you in this video. Please watch the video till the end. You will be able to understand it better. So friends, let me tell you about this option. First of all, the job posting. Job posting, here there is one option that manage and post and activity. Whatever the job posting you have done, you can see here post and activity. And if I want to do the job posting, first you have to click on view profile. Once I click on view profile, just scroll it down, you will get one option activity and create a post. Once you hit on the option post, here there is some setting you have to do before posting the job. Once I click on this drag option, so who can see your post? If you want to post your job publicly, you click on the anyone, and if you want to show your post only to the connections, whatever people are there, whosoever are there in your connection, only those can see, or in a group also. You can also control the comment by clicking on this option, anyone, connections only, or no one. If you want anybody can comment on your post, you can click on the anyone. I would like to suggest to hit on this option anyone, because LinkedIn is a good platform. It is a professional platform to source the profile, to enhance the connections, and for the recruiter especially, it is the best platform to do the sourcing, to do the hiring, close the positions as much as we can. Only it is all about that how we are going to use the LinkedIn platform. Okay friends, so if you are also like a recruiter just like me, just this video is so helpful for you. Just understand the things very well. If you have any doubt, then mention on the comment box, will clear it out. Okay, so these are the settings some you can do, that who can see your post, who can comment on your post in this way. Just click on the back option. After setting, click on back. Then you mention here about your job posting. I have already a template. Directly I clicked on this option. So here you can see the title hiring alert. If it is an urgent requirement, just click paste this emoji as well. Somewhere these emojis are helpful. It gets attracted in front of the people. It get attracted. That is why I mentioned. I just pasted this emoji as well. Mention your title properly. You can see the sample here. Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance is hiring with the experience of the life insurance, especially. Profile name is Deputy Territory Manager. Location, experience, budget, notice period, channel, everything, whatever is mentioned in a job description, you can paste it here. Mandatory pointers are also I have added here. Then later on, hashtags is also mandatory somewhere. Just click on the hiring alert. Remove this hashtag word from here. Hashtag hiring alert. Hashtag hiring immediately. Hashtag pressure hiring. Emojis, if you want to add, you can add. If you want to add some media images, also you can add. Calendar, if want to create an event, we can also add. Once you click on more option, you will get one option that add a document. This is also a good option. If you want to add the attach the job description, you can use this option. Or if you want to add your the company profile, if you want to add the company, suppose this post is related for the Bajaj company, and I want to add the Bajaj company, basically Bajaj company profile, that is how is the company. So I can add the site. If I have any document in the form of the PDF, so directly I can add from this option. After mentioning all the mandatory points, just click on the post. One option is also there, schedule for later. If you want to schedule your post for the later, you can hit on this option, otherwise go for post. Once I click on post, you can see post successful, view post. If you want to view post, that how it is looking in front of everyone, so here you can see. In this way your post is looking. So friends, whatever post you have done as of now, if you want to see all the posts of yours, then click on, there is one option manage, then posts and activity. If I click on posts and activity, so here you can see all the posts you will get here. If I want to delete this post, this is a old post. If I want to delete it, then you can directly delete from here as well. Delete post. If you want to edit the post, copy link to the post. If you want to save this post, everything you can do from here as well. Who can see this post? You can also add the restrictions to your post by this. Who can comment on this post? Okay friends, so if I want to delete this post, I will click on this option, go to the delete post. Once I click on delete, directly I can delete as well. Okay, I hope you understood that how to do the job posting. Now I tell you about the notification option. Whatever the notification you are going to get from your friends, from your group, from the companies which you have followed, then you can all see the notifications here. Okay, if anybody is texting you, that notification will also reflect here. Last third option is the messaging. Whosoever is going to text you, you can see, you can do the chatting with the people to enhance the network, to enhance the communication. You can start your chatting as well. Okay, last fourth option is the jobs. Whatever is your profile, whether you are a IT recruiter or a Java developer or a technical person, non-IT person, whatever the jobs matches to your profile, so this LinkedIn platform is going to recommend you. My profile is related to the HR IT recruiter, so see, I'm going to get the recommendation from LinkedIn base. Senior human resource recruiter, talent acquisition specialist, all the jobs related to my profile are going to reflect here. Okay, similarly, if you are a SAP developer or Java developer, so the profiles, job posting related to the Java developer are going to reflect here. Okay, friend. Now, if I click on my network, so you can manage your network by this option. You can see the number of connections. Number of connection on my profile is this one, contacts are this one, group is 23, event, pages, newsletter, hashtag. You can manage your connection by this option, and whosoever are going to send you the request, then here it will reflect. In my LinkedIn page there is no pending invitation. I frequently use the LinkedIn, that is whatever the notifications, whatever the requests I get from my network, I just whether I ignore or accept it. If it is relevant to me, somewhere it will help me in the future as well, so I'm going to accept it, otherwise going to ignore it. First option is the home page. In a home page I can see the posts from my network, from the people, if any company I have followed, then from people also I'm going to get. So here, like whatever the posts are there, if it is relevant to you, you can also like it, repost it, you can send it, or you can comment as well. Okay, now the major last point is the search. This search bar is used to search the profile. Suppose I want to search the profile for the Java developer, simply I mention the Java developer. Here you can see all the profiles related to the Java developer are reflected here. Java developer, software developer, proficient into the Java technology, Java developer. Okay friends, so in this way we can click on the connect option. If this profile I want to see this Ajay Jha, if I want to see this profile, just click on the view. Contact information also we get from here. Further also, if I scroll it down, I can see his qualification, his experience as well, if it is matches. To suppose we are also hiring for the Java developer required 1 or 2 year of experience. Location is also Delhi NCR. What I will do, I will request for the connect. In a connect, we have the two option: add a note or send without note. If you want to add a note, just mention, "Hi Ajay, I'm hiring for the Java developer. Are you interested? Looking for the change." In this way, I will mention and click on the send. Otherwise, directly also we can send without a note. Okay. Next, if I click on the more, if I want to download his resume, download his profile in the form of PDF, we have to click on the save to PDF. Once I click in this option, we can see pro resume is downloaded. Education, experience and title, everything is here. So friends, in this way we can view the profile of candidate. We can see the profile in the form of PDF as well. And if we want to share this profile with my colleague who is also working as a recruiter, profile is awesome A1. So I can send the profile in a message of my connection. I can follow this person. Also, I can, if we want to, we can report and block as well. But why we do like that? Or about this profile, we can know when this person joined on a LinkedIn, contact information updated, and the profile photo when he updated less than 1 month ago, he updated his profile photo. So in this way we can somewhere do the sourcing and can find out the relevant profile. If I'm looking a Java developer who is looking immediately, who is looking for the job on an immediate basis, so I can mention this as well. Java developer plus immediate. So you will see the profile Java developer Noida immediate joiner. In this way we can get the profile. Location also, friend, he is working in a Dehradun, in a Chennai location. So in this way, like lot of option, lot of things you will get. And if I'm looking at profile Java developer who is experienced into the React and Angular as well, Java and React and Angular. So mostly I will see the profile having experience in all these. Once I click on this Santosh Kumar profile, my keyword Java or Angular and React. So you can see React Express.js. This candidate is a specialist into the React technology, Angular, Express.js. Core Java is also there along with the C++ JavaScript. Other skill sets are also there. In this way, friends, we can find out the relevant profile. We can use the LinkedIn platform proficiently. I hope you like this video. If still you are having any doubt, then click on the comment button and mention your comment. I will clear it out. Thank you, friend, for watching this video. Let's meet in a next video. Thank you. Have a good day.